Hello class, in this video we'll be reviewing adding and subtracting integers. Integers are whole numbers that could be positive or negative. So it's important for you to know how to add and subtract. It's a basic skill we're going to need when we do the next lesson, which is adding, subtracting polynomials, which is going to add and subtract the coefficient. So we're going to start with those examples, and those covers the main basic things that you need. If you have two positive numbers, like 4 plus 3, like example 1, the 4 doesn't have a sign, so it is assumed to be positive. So if they have the same sign, which is in this case positive, you're just gonna combine the numbers, right? Combine the numbers and you're gonna be having a 7. And that sign stays positive. The same scenario goes to the last, this problem. So these are kind of similar. -4 minus 3. You notice the sign for the 4 is negative, the sign for the 3 is negative. So now you're going to combine because they have the same sign, and that's going to be -7. So the first rule is same sign, you combine or you add, and you keep the sign. Okay? Keep sign. Now in the next case, we have question B and C. You notice if I write 4 minus 3, the 4 is positive and the 3 is negative. That means they're different. So if they're different signs, you're gonna subtract. Instead of combining, you're gonna subtract the numbers. You're gonna forget about the signs, subtract 4 and 3, you'd have 1. But the big number, in this case, is the 4, it's positive. So the answer is positive 1. So the big number sign stays. Big number sign. The same case goes to -4 plus 3. Now, as you notice, the 4 is bigger, it's negative and positive, so you're going to subtract. You're going to get a 1, but the big number is negative, so the answer is -1. See how the different sign, you subtract, and you keep the number of the big sign. So this is pretty much what you need for adding, subtracting. Now, the combination of those cases, if I have example, let's say 4 minus -3. If you have two negatives next to each other, this would be a plus. So it goes back to 4 plus 3, and they're both positive, and that's a 7. That's a positive. So if you get two negatives, combine them to one positive. The last case is -4 minus -3. Again, those two negatives becomes a positive, and different, you subtract, and you get a 1, but the big number is 4, so the answer is -1. Hope this video is helping you to add and subtract. Thank you for watching.